In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive on Basecamp. Whether you're returning to a project after some time or simply need to reference past discussions, knowing how to unarchive messages on Basecamp can be a real game changer for productivity. Let's dive right in and explore these simple steps to bring archived messages back to your active workspace. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific project where the message board you need to unarchive resides. Begin by opening Basecamp and scanning through your list of projects. Once you've located the correct project, click to enter. This step is crucial because Basecamp organizes information within specific project hubs, and you'll only be able to access the archived content relevant to that particular project. Now that you're inside the project, it's time to access the message board. On the project's main page, locate and click on the message board tool. This is your central hub for communication within the project, encompassing both current and past messages. The interface is designed to mimic a traditional message board, so it's usually quite straightforward to navigate. With the message board open, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Here lies the key to unlocking your archived content. Look for a section labeled Archived. This section is set aside to house all messages that have been previously archived, effectively placing them out of the main flow of active conversations so you can focus on what's currently important. Ready to unarchive? Click on the archived message you want to restore to active status. When you click it open, you'll see an option to unarchive the message. Selecting this will move the message out of the archived compartment and back onto the active message board. This process instantly makes the content accessible to everyone working within the project, as if it was never archived in the first place. It's a quick and efficient way to resurrect old conversations and information vital to your ongoing tasks. And that's it. Just a few simple steps, and you can seamlessly restore archived messages back into your active workflow on Basecamp. Remember, the ability to unarchive is not just about recovering old information, but also about maintaining continuity in your project communications. Whether it's revisiting key decisions or keeping track of the dialogue history, unarchiving can be a critical part of managing your projects efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your digital tools.